In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow people on Trading 212. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up Trading 212 either on the web, where I'm at right now, or on your mobile device. It's going to look pretty much the same, for the exception that the buttons on your mobile device, these ones up top, are going to be at the bottom. Then you want to click on this button where you can see like two people next to each other, and here it's going to take you inside social, and then from here you have like feed, communities, you have buys, etc. And then here you must first find the person you actually want to follow. So for this example, I'm just going to go and follow the first person I can see over here. As you can see, you could click on the follow button right away, but also what you could do is you could click on that person's name. So like just click on the name over here. As you can see, I could just click on any of these posts, click on any name, and I can go and basically follow that specific person from their profile. Okay, so that's essentially how to do it. But for this, of course, you will need to have a real account. I'm currently on demo. I just wanted to show you how to actually achieve it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.